Hi friends, welcome to Knockout Rosi. Today we are going to do a very traditional Kumbakonam recipe which is called the Kumbakonam Kadappa. This is basically a pure vegetarian dish, but it originated from Kumbakonam and Tanjavur. It is only famous in those places, but it's a very tasty dish which goes with idli, dosa, chapati, puri, idiyappam, appam, you name it and you can have it with anything. So, and it's a very simple dish, so we're going ahead with it. First, let me tell you the ingredients what we need. Big boiled potatoes, about 25 to 30 grams of moong dal boiled, 2 big onions, 2 tomatoes, 3 green chilies, ginger garlic paste, salt, little bit of turmeric powder, cinnamon, aniseed, cardamom, lavang, bay leaf and salt. This is for the tadka first. And these have to be ground. This is about 2 to 3 tablespoons of grated coconut, 2 green chilies, about 1 teaspoon of couscous soaked, about 2 to 3 teaspoons of fried gram, and about 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt. The pan is on. About 1 tablespoon of oil, the bay leaf, adding the spices, I'll put in the onion, and the onion has to be really fried translucent. So this has to be fried well, and now green chilies. The green chili has to go into it. Little bit of salt and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now we add in the cut tomatoes, and it has to be sauteed out well. And now adding a small pinch of turmeric to it. Now the turmeric powder and tomatoes and the onions, chili, everything has to be cooked really well till a nice aroma comes out of it. Now this is sauteed out very well. It's all ready. Now I have a bigger vessel here with 1 cup of water in it. Let the water boil. I'm adding the potatoes to this. The potatoes should be just crumbled, not pieces also, just lightly crumbled. Now this is ready. Actually this kadapa is supposed to be very thin and watery because we are adding potatoes and the dal. It has to be watery because we use it for idli, dosa and stuff like that. Usually people add cold water to the cooking, but what I have done is I put a pan here with water in it. It is in the boiling stage. So I switch this off and transfer this entire thing into this water. Has to boil now. As that is boiling there, I'm getting the coconut paste ready. I'm adding about 2 chilies. Actually this is not supposed to be very spicy. It depends. If you want it really spicy, you can add in more number of chilies. So I've added 2 chilies here and about 2 tablespoons of coconut and 2 teaspoons of salt and soaked khaskhas and about 2 teaspoons of fried gram. So I'm going to grind this into a very fine paste. This I'm going to add little bit of water to it because it has to be ground to a very fine paste. And this is the consistency. Yeah. Now this is ready and boiling, and this is the consistency. Let me check for the salt now. We need some more salt. Salt we'll have to check and then add the salt. So now we are adding the coconut paste to this. Wow. Let's see. Now we will allow this to boil properly because the raw smell from the coconut has to go. So I just close it for a few minutes. So this is almost done now. Can you see how it is really bubbling up? And the aroma is just fantastic. Now I add the dal to this. Mash the dal nicely. And this again has to really boil well. And again you will have to check for salt. This is the exact consistency because we are adding dal. It can get thicker, but we have to see to it that it does not become thicker than this. Or in case it's going to be thick, we need to add little bit of water and allow it to boil. That's warm water which I have. And this again has to really boil now. So I'll close it and leave it for some time. Let it boil. Now can you see this is almost done? It's just waiting to go with dosa and idiyappam and all that. So now I switch off the stove, add few curry leaves to it, coriander leaves, and a dash of lime. And here the kadapa is ready. So this, friends, is the exciting Kumbakonam kadapa. So now the Kumbakonam kadapa is all ready, all set to go with anything, idli, dosa, puri, chapati, anything. It is just amazing. So this is the Kumbakonam kadapa is ready, and all of you can try it with all your favorites. It will go with anything. Try it and please post your comments. Okay friends, I'm signing off for today. Please share, subscribe and like Knockout Rusi. I'll meet you all with much more exciting recipes soon.